Hey, it's Tim here, and we're just going to go walk through a quick video of how to download and install and get Packet Tracer working, so that later in the bootcamp we can use Packet Tracer to show you some kind of like basic networking stuff. So if you just Google for download Cisco Packet Tracer, should take you to the Learning Network. Let's go ahead and click here, and this you can go to this link, Netacad. What you're going to do is go to Cisco Network Academy, essentially. Now, you can sign up and create an account here. I actually already have an account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in here and grab it. And once you get logged in, we'll just go to Getting Started with Cisco Packet Tracer. You just have to log in, sign up and log in and choose this course. Now, I've already started this course, which is why it says Resume Course. Yours would say like Get Started. So click on Resume Course. For me, Start for you. If you go down to the third link, which is Download Cisco Packet Tracer, it will redirect you to Lab Downloads. And then from here, we should be able to, just go to Packet Tracer, choose your system. I'm going to choose Windows because that's what I'm on. Go here and then download it. And once you've downloaded it, go ahead and run it. And that'll be that part, and I'll skip forward to the next part where you are going to after the install, where you're going to go ahead and start Packet Tracer, because you'll have to log in as part of the setup process. Let's just do that now. Okay, so the first time you run Packet Tracer, it should basically pop up like this, and then it'll say sign in using one of the following options, and of course you can have it keep you logged in, assuming this isn't a library computer or something. So you click on the Networking Academy. And then here, literally, you will just log in with the email you just used, that you just set up with. So let me do that real quick. Okay, and once you've put it in there, just click Login. It will do the authentication bit. And then eventually what you should get is this. It should pop up into Cisco Packet Tracer. So this is the kind of the window you're expecting to find. At this point, you're kind of like, you've got the Packet Tracer installed. You can start messing with it. We're going to have a whole separate video where we talk about setting up a basic lab with Packet Tracer and just doing some basic network connectivity stuff, so you can see how basic networking devices work, and just get your feet wet with it. And you can of course on your own time play with it as well, and we'll even have an assignment at some point for you to mess with as well. So thanks for joining me. This should have been really easy, really simple. Let us know if you have any problems.